What up guys, today I'll be showing you two types of eyes that you can create with spray paint, and I'm just going to go over the materials I'm about to use for the first painting. So let's go over it. I have white, navy, and then I got just baby blue, some nice teal, and some black. Then over here, so you want to have a CD just like this, because we're going to spray right in between this, and then right here is going to be where the pupil is. So alright guys, let's get started. Alright, first we are going to mark where we are going to put the iris. So I marked it with teal, and then next I'm going to spray teal kind of in the middle, as you can see. Then after that we're going to put white in the middle, and then baby blue, and next we're going to mark it with teal. The whole point of this is to make the lighter colors in the middle and then bring the outer colors around it. And the next was navy around the teal, and then put a little bit more white because it really brings out the eye. Alright, and then after that, get your newspaper and just place it over. You could bring it up as many times as you want until you find the right texture. So don't be afraid, but don't over texturize it, because then you just take all the paint away. After that, I'm just going to mark it with navy around the spot, of course. And then I'm going to spray each corner, kind of like coloring the whole painting, because spray paint art is all about layers. You want to put as many colors down before you color the background, the final color, if that makes sense, of course. So at first I used teal, now I'm doing a little bit of navy, and now I'm going to mix a little baby blue in it, just like that. And then I'm going to dry it with fire in a moment. So be careful kids, ask your parents, but I just use clear and a lighter, and you can control it real quickly. And after that, we are going to paint this Skila. Anyway, that is the white part of the eye. It's funny, I didn't know about that term before I decided to make this tutorial. So now I know what the white part of the eye is, Skila. Anyway, so I'm covering up. I'm painting it obviously white. You don't want to over paint it, because then you can get the painting too wet. So just enough to cover up all the excess paint you want to cover it. Alright, next we are going to lift up the lid, and wow, that came out pretty tight. So after that, we are going to just outline the eye with black. So if you guys are enjoying this painting and you really enjoyed this tutorial, hit that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it. It would help the YouTube algorithms, and let me know that you guys are really enjoying these new style of tutorials. And leave a comment below on which eye you liked. Did you like the red one or blue one? Let's see who wins. Alright, so I sped this part up, but I am just finally painting the whole background with black, and I'm lifting it up with the newspaper. It's to create this cool rock-like texture. So after that, I'm going to turn it over and just repeat what I did previously at the bottom of the painting. Just like that. Now you don't want to take off all the black. You just want to lightly go over it with the newspaper and just leave enough for the shadow effect. Just like that. And I'm going to do one last one. And after that, I got my cutout of the pupil, and I just kind of traced a circle and I cut it out to fit that size. So I just sprayed black right in it. Of course, I put it in the middle of the iris. Then we're gonna lift it up. Bam! It's starting to look like a cool eye. So after that, I'm just spraying clear. I sped this part up as well. I'm just outlining I'm highlighting the tips of the texture that I lift up to give it some more, some more detail, some more crisp looking eyeball staring right back at you. Anyway, so I'm just doing that right now, getting a feel of it. And if you guys are wondering what tool I'm using, that's a palette knife. I'm gonna link it. I'll leave a link to where you can purchase that on Amazon, and all the materials really. So if you guys are, I should make a video on the starter kit for spray paint art. Hey, leave a comment. Let me know if that's a good idea. Next, I'm just gonna dry the painting with some fire. Now grab your CD. We're going to spray directly right in the middle of the CD. That gives it a cool catch light for the eye. And again, it's all about detail. But this one, right when you do that, it makes the eye just look amazing. Like, oh my god, I was so proud when I lifted up that CD. Alright, next, I wasn't too happy with the side, so I thought to repaint it a little bit with white, and then I'm just gonna cover up with black, and then just gonna outline it one last time. So just like that. So this painting is basically done. So I hope you guys enjoyed the blue eye. This one's more of the normal looking eye, if that makes sense, because the next one's more of a demon or cat. I get all types of answers for what it looks like. And let's move on to the next one. Alright, and then we're gonna mark where the iris is gonna go. For this painting, you only need yellow, orange, red, black, and white. And we are going to spray yellow in the middle. I accidentally sprayed red first. I meant to spray orange. So I tried to do the outer line, and then I spray orange in the middle. You get the concept. So it's supposed to go yellow, orange, red, and then white. And then after that, grab your newspaper. You're going to place it over, and just like that. And you're gonna lift it up as much as you need to get the right texture. Alright, after that, you're gonna spray black around it. It gives it a cool shadow effect and more contrast, really. After that, get your circular object and place it over. So I sped this video up just because I went over the basics previously in the beginning of the video. So if you guys watched till then, you would get the idea. It's the same type of painting. All I'm doing differently is different colors, and then we're going to use a poster board, like a cutout, to spray right on it. So let's watch how it was created. Good. So to create the line, I'm just using a poster board that is, you know, cut straight, and I am just spraying onto the poster board, not directly down. I'm spraying onto the poster board because it creates not this muddy look when you try to spray a straight black line. So let's see. So I kind of, yeah, just spray onto the board, not directly down. That's how you create the nice, dark, clean line look. After that, grab the CD, and you're gonna spray white right in the middle. This time, I was super proud of this one because this one looked great. No smudges, because if you guys saw in the blue one, I kind of shot a little bit off. But this one, came out beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you learned how to create 2 different types of eyes, and you use some techniques that I showed you in this video to enhance your spray paint art. Keep painting, my friends, and stay awesome.